Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements, and right now we'll be discussing about hoverable table. So use the over selector on tr element to highlight table rows on mouse over. So we will use this table again inside this tutorial. We have used this table we have developed this table in our previous tutorial. If you don't know how we got here, you can watch our previous tutorial and you can watch it through our playlist. We have different playlists for all this we are doing. So as you can see, tr element is having what is having colon hover. So we are going to style it along with this background color. So quickly, let's get back to our document to see how it looks. This is our document. This is how our document looks, and this is the color, the thing that gave us the we style our tr here along with this color. Let's say for instance now we remove this color and save our document. You will see what's going to happen. Can you see the color is no more there? Let's bring back the color. Can you see the color is back? But right now we want to use the over. So let's get back to this place now. Inside here, this is what we're going to do. We are going to give it color. When you give it color, you now write over. When you write over, you save it. When you write over and save it, let's reload our document. Can you see it disappear? But when you mouse over on it like this, it's going to be displaying something. Let me increase it so you can see. When you mouse over on it, you can see how it's displaying when you mouse over on it. That's what I want to show you guys today. I wish to see you guys next time. And what akorede ayofe is my name. Have a great day. To the next. Bye bye.